Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play some really cool hammer-on licks on acoustic guitar. If these licks sound slightly familiar, you might recognize them from the tribute song by Tenacious D, but they're actually fairly standard acoustic tricks that you can throw in a lot of songs. We're going to start off on an A minor chord, first finger, second string, first fret, middle finger goes on the fourth string, second fret, ring finger, third string, second fret. Like I said, that one on the second string. Now the whole trick with a hammer-on is you're taking your finger tip and bashing it down on the string. You want it to be right up next to the fret. Now in this case, I'm plucking the first note with the string open, and believe it or not, it makes it easier to have both your fingers in place for the chords, and just move both of them in time for the same for both notes. So basically, you're just playing an A minor and picking them up and putting them down. Now the next one, you're doing the second string with your pinky. Now this might take a little bit of practice because your pinky is your weakest finger, but again, make sure you got the tip of it just smashing down right up close to the fret, and then you can do the same thing with your first finger. To isolate the fingers for you, now I'm doing a little bit of a pull-off, but then I'm plucking it right up next on the neck. It's a lot easier down here. You don't really have to do the pull-off, which we'll discuss in other lessons. Okay? So, from the top, and you can throw this in a lot of other songs. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been some cool hammer-on tricks on the A minor chord. Check below for other links to other lessons related to the Tenacious D song tribute. Thank you for watching.